In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view history in Microsoft Edge. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Give it a moment to load the home page or the last set of tabs you had open. If you use multiple profiles in Edge, make sure you're in the profile where you want to check browsing activity so the history you see matches what you expect. Now look to the very top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots, also known as the menu button. Click those three dots to open the main menu. This menu is where Edge keeps a lot of everyday tools, and it's the quickest way to get to your history. In the menu that appears, click History. This opens a compact history panel without taking you away from your current page. Here, you'll immediately see a list of recently visited sites, along with a handy section for recently closed tabs. If you accidentally closed something, this is a great place to reopen it with a single click. You can also glance at site titles and URLs to quickly identify what you're looking for. While you're in this view, notice that the interface may show quick access areas nearby, such as items for passwords and autofill. These are part of Edge's broader browsing and profile tools and can be useful when you're managing what the browser remembers. We're not changing anything there right now, but it's good to be aware of where those controls live as you review your history. If you prefer a larger view with more details, look for the three-dot icon within the history panel itself. Click that, then choose Open History Page. This opens the full history page in a new tab, giving you a wider, easier-to-browse timeline organized by day and time. From here, you can scroll through past activity, use the search box to find a specific site, and open entries in new tabs. You can also remove individual items if you no longer want them to appear. This fuller view is especially helpful if you're tracking down something you visited earlier in the week or managing a lot of browsing activity across multiple sessions. That's all you need to view your browsing history in Microsoft Edge. Open the menu, choose History for a quick look, and use the three dots to open the full history page when you want more space and options. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you try it on your own browser.